The Freamsters, yo! Let's go!
What's up, handsome? How are you enjoying your little chip right there? Good? Oh, sorry, I'll roll the window up, guys. I know it can be windy when I'm doing that. There we go, turn the air down. Hi, buddy. Hi. Say hi. Hi, guys. Hi, Freamsters.
Throwing rocks.
Hi, buddy. Are we at Nana's house? Brought Mom some lunch.
Oh, they got theirs. They got theirs. Second one. Nope. I did to go get Brody. Are you excited that we're here to get Brodius Maximus? You can't wait. You just want to hop out of that car seat and go get him, huh? You just want to hop out and get him. Say, Brody, Brody, where are you?
You handsome?
Hey, buddy.
See you on the other side. Sitting there.
One, two.
Ow.
One time. And oh.
Son of a, that was just in my foot.
What was it?
It's crazy goat head.
It's green.
Yeah. Where did that even come from? One of these things is putting stickers out here. I'm gonna stick it back. Sticker me. Oh, it's this nasty guy. It's this nasty guy right here.
He's dead.
He's a sticker maker.
Sticker maker. Mouse, come here.
Oh man, look at all the goat heads growing on that thing. What? Look at him. Look right there. See that one?
Wow. Mouse, come here.
It's a nasty bugger.
What? Uh-oh. Bad snap. You caught him, though. Where's that cat running?
You're welcome.
Oh, bad snap.
Oh, we're still recording. Let's see.
Up.
Oh, close.
I made it.
Defense.
Get that out of my house, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro. Launching. Let's go.
Double option. Let's go with adoption. Oh, fingertips. Dang it.
Alright, let's go this way so I can get it on my head.
Okay, ready, set, option. Oh, I was going for the tire.
That scared me.
Great job, my dudes. Putting away soda in the soda fridge. Getting us restockified, Brodus. Maz, you doing a good job helping? You helping out? Good job. Oh, Maz is putting them back in the carbon. Good job, buddy. Looks like he's doing both, getting them out and putting them away at the same time.
Carbon!
Check. Oh, don't hit the baby. Okay.
Like that.
Got it.
Let's catch camera.
Thanks, bud.
1, 2, 3.
Good job helping, Mav. Good job getting your work done there, Brody, man. I like to see that we can ask you to do chores and then they get done.
And get my thumb stuck in the fridge.
Don't do that, though,
There we
okay?
go.
All right, yeah. Be careful. All right. Hey! Are you playing in the rain?
Okay, now. Okay. Now push.
Oh my goodness. That is the cutest thing ever.
Is that funny? There he is.
Oh my god, I got an idea. I'm on a boat race.
He was just talking about boat racing.
Oh wow, that one's going fast. Oh wow, that's my boat right there. That brown.
I saw. Oh!
Instantly.
Oh,
Hi!
he's still going. Oh, I got stuck on a rock.
Oh, he's been doing that the whole time.
Those two.
It only took like a minute before I took his shoes off.
Here.
Oh, careful.
Careful, careful.
Water.
Soft. Good
Oh,
job.
Dad, who's going to win? That one or that one? Someone gets stuck and it's all over.
It's all over then.
It would be all over.
And it's going sideways, so the chance of getting stuck are way higher.
Uh-oh. What's happening here?
Oh, the green one got stuck. Did not see that coming. You okay?
He doesn't want me.
All right.
You don't want me?
Oh, that one's still going, Dad.
You're good.
The one,
Yeah, it is still going.
the orange one is actually.
Your little brother's.
Nice and low. Turn around, go back to Dad.
Come here. Zoom.
Turn around, come back. Come back.
Oh, you're going straight into the shower, you dirty kid.
Turn around, go back. Oh, you went around. No.
Oh, Dad! Uh-oh. Oh, snap! Oh, snap! What's gonna happen here? Oh! You got me.
Throw it here.
Not the one.
Good job. Show us your skills. Oh, caterpillar with the arm bar and the headlock. Flying side control, back smash. Oh, get it, Olaf, get him.
Stop down!
Tag team. Oh,
Here, look, we'll bring Spider-Man in.
Oh! Oh!
Mr. Chow.
Boom!
in on the fight. My handsome dudes. My handsome dudes designing a skyscraper together. Cut. Wait, why did you have me cut? Alright. Good job. Because he had a booger. That was funny.
Watching these two, look at them. Little wrestlers. Brody's trying to play video games. Maverick's trying to stop him from playing video games, I guess. It's cute. Yeah, say click on that. Buy a house. Buy me a house, Brody. So cute. I love their little friendship. It's pretty adorable. Maverick running out in the rain earlier. Oh, one of my favorite things. So cute. This little pitter patter of his. He kept trying to run down the gutter of the sidewalk like it was a little racetrack. What you guys doing? You putting the baby in the bin?
Yep.
Are you binning the baby?
He's hiding. Get her.
Hiding? Put the lid on. Not like on, but like. No, he doesn't like that.
I just don't even want
He likes to hide though. Maybe he'd like it. It's like, put,
that would be so
put
bad.
the
No.
lid on.
We're not teaching him that. We're not teaching him hide in a clothes. Let's go in the dryer. Clothes.
I guess that makes sense.
The reacts to orange sour balls. Okay, babe. How's it gonna be? Orange sour balls. Alyssa reacts. Orange sour balls. Alyssa.
Come on, Mom. We've been waiting for one of these.
You gonna have one?
They're like gumdrops.
Oh God. You better not fucking choke on that, baby.
You need to break it for us. That freaks me out. Bite it.
Do you think
Bite
you will?
it. Bite it. Are you biting it yet?
I don't think he understands bite it. Dang it. Watching the BYU game, they just went down by 7. He's not sure about that. Yeah. That's awesome.
Justin Murray, the right guard, has a really good.
How's your fort? I see you made a fort out of the Tupperware. That's good, Daddy. Good. Glad to know.
I think that's a good call. I think the name was still not.
I like that.
Tell me what you mean when you're yelling, I got Rush Club, I got Rush Club.
We got the rooster spoon.
It's awesome. It does look like the Rush Club logo.
I feel like you're speaking in very specific language.
Simoleon. Yeah, hi, buddy. Uh-oh.
We need a house couch.
49 yards will get it done to flip the field. For Cincinnati, there is Landon.
Look at this cute doggage.
3 straight national titles. They beat Cowboys last year and knocked out the.
You're like surrounded with love. You got Mav and Brody and Dash and Violet Oh, yeah, be soft. Good job. Thank you, being soft to your brother. Aww.
I took your chair. Is what you just said. I took your chair.
Be soft, Nev.
Don't kick him.
Get the chair.
That's a crazy kid.
Cincinnati averages just over 86 plays per game. They went 100 against Memphis 2 games ago, 67 against Miami.
How's it going, B?
Ear hurts. Fine though.
In this game, 24 than BYU. But the Cougars are only let to check the marker though. Open. Number 73. Ryan Levy, redshirt junior, got tagged for it. There's a lot of bodies from BYU coming off the right side of the field.
What do you mean? That? Okay.
Off the edge. The quarterback does escape.
You did do that. Good job. Mav's working out. This thing's actually pretty heavy. I don't know if you can tell, by the way. He's struggling with it. This is how I watch them all at once. I can watch the whole family, the game they're playing, and the game I'm watching all at once. And we still have 9 screens to go, right guys? Yeah. Guys, thanks for watching Freamsters tonight. Sorry, I fell asleep on the couch. I just woke up, so I decided to go to bed, and I hadn't ended the vlog. I hadn't been doing that kid for a while, so give us a thumbs up on the video if you would, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Okay guys, if you've made it this far, go ahead and click on one of the links below here so you can check out some of our other projects we do on YouTube. We've got all different kinds of things we do, from gaming to reviewing gear, fitness, flying drones. Click on one of the links below to check out one of our other projects. I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks for supporting us. Have a great day.
Yeah, I present to you the Freamsters, yo. Let's go.